Carolina, and whereas at its founding, Africans were brought into what became established as the city of Beaufort in the Port Royal region, and whereas these African people populated the islands of the Port Royal region, which have already been occupied by the indigenous people from which many of these sea islands have been named, and whereas the islands of Beaufort County include Port Royal, St. Helena, Ladies, Dato, Palomar, Hilton Head, Cusco, Wausau, Hunting Island, and several others, and whereas these African people came to be known as Gullah Geechee, and whereas Queen Quet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, who was the visionary for this celebration, is a native of St. Helena Island, Beaufort County, South Carolina, whereas the city of Beaufort has continued to recognize the legacy of Gullah Geechee as part of Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week for the past 2 years, and whereas we support the series of activities taking place throughout Beaufort County and in the city of Beaufort to honor the history and legacy of the Gullah Geechee Nation and to honor the souls of the Emmanuel Nine and the legacy of the Gullah Geechee churches and spiritual empowerment of this community, and whereas we join in the theme for this year's Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival, Time for Shout, now therefore, the City Council of the City of Beaufort, South Carolina, hereby proclaims July 25th through August 2nd, 2015 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. We want to say thank you to Mayor Billy Kaiserling, who is out and about with the opening and the festivities of the annual water festival right here in Beaufort and things like that, right down to the waterfront. See a place where 100 children know we do the crack routine for the Gullah Festival and things like that. In May, every July, they got the other celebration going on. So as soon as the water festival ends, Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week begins right here in the city of Beaufort, and we're so glad it is your day for getting one more proclamation from this year's city, from beautiful Beaufort by the sea. This year the Queen Quet head upon the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. 100 children know and 100 there with me, 100 going know this year the what going on.
Where we take it slow after a hard time of the week. Just a groove is all we see. Come on with me to the shore where folks dance from the door. Come on, we wanna know who we be. Just your darling.